Hey guys, we're back in Puerto Rico. We are currently in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and we had to stop by one of our favorite bakeries, Lucia's, in the Miramar neighborhood. So this place is freaking incredible. They have wonderful pastries, really good coffee, but the only thing is they're open on Saturdays only.
From 9 to 12, I think. So you really have a short window to get your order. You should order in advance just because everything does sell out quickly.
Yes.
So definitely recommend you going on their menu on Wednesday to place the order so you can pick it up on Saturday.
Yes. And you can, like she said, pre-order everything. Their entire menu is online. It changes. And it's on a rotation, I'm assuming. So you could definitely see everything that's available, select it, put it in your cart, and purchase it so that on Saturday you can just show up. Parking is a little difficult. It works out for us because one of us will kind of just wait in the car while the other one goes picks it up. But you just go inside, show them your confirmation, they give you your box of goodies, and you're good to go. But let's get into it. We're gonna start off with the almond croissant. All right. So there it is. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful croissant. And we don't have anything to cut it with. You want to just kind of...
We don't. So we did not come prepared. So we have tissues to help us during this little segment.
Yeah, so I think I'm actually just gonna... There we go. It's not perfect, but it's gonna allow us to get a little taste.
Alright, here we go. If you're in the San Juan area, you definitely have to come try all their pastries. They're so good. So what we did, we basically ordered like 1 and 2 pastries that we wanted to enjoy, just to try it out. Just because when in Puerto Rico, you have to try out all the different foods and whatnot. So almond croissant, I would definitely give it a solid 9 out of 10.
Yeah, I would say 9 out of 10.
It's really
Super good, sweet, but not overly sweet. The croissant is fluffy and moist and crispy and everything you want out of a croissant. So next, we're gonna try the I think they called it croissantito, which is like a quesito. If you're not, familiar with what a quesito is, it's like a puff pastry with a sweet cream cheese filling. So this is a croissant
with quesito filling.
With quesito filling.
And it has like sugar on top as well as it feels really soft compared to the almond croissant. So here we go.
So here goes the taste. We're gonna break it in half again. Here's yours. And a little bit of cheese filling in there. Layers on the croissant. Cheers.
It's really good.
Quesitos are, I would say, soft to begin with. But this one's like airy and light and sweet. Really good.
It's delicious, but it's really, really sweet. Like, I love sweets, and this is a little bit too sweet for me. So I definitely would recommend just getting like 1 to share with somebody, just because I know eating it all, it's a little too much. But it's really yummy. I would give it a 7 out of 10 just because it's...
7 out of 10. I give it an 8.5 out of 10. I think it's really good. I'm not even a sweet kind of guy. Like, I don't like sweet stuff that much, but that's damn good. Next up, ham and fig and cheese croissant. Ham, cheese, and fig croissant. Right?
Yeah.
Or is that one the Black Forest ham and Swiss cheese croissant? I think that's what it is. I don't know.
We'll find out.
Yeah, we're gonna find out. But it looks delicious.
It does, and it's super
And it's
airy.
puffy goodness. Gonna break that in half. Oh, ham. Oh, it looks like turkey. Maybe.
You gotta have that time. You
Okay.
let me know. Okay.
Well, there it is.
I just bit into the croissant, and it's really airy. It's really good. But for, I think it's just ham and cheese. That's what it looks like. Do you like it?
It's like a Black Forest ham, I think. That's what it tastes like. That one is my least favorite of everything we've had so far. I would probably give that 6 out of 10. Maybe 5 out of 10 actually. 5 out of 10.
I would have to agree with you, a 5 out of 10. But we do not have like a little oven or microwave to warm it up. So we are eating this pastry cold. So that might be a big reason why it's not holding up its delicious, components that it had.
So 5 out of 10 with the potential to be higher.
Yes.
If it's warmed. And last but not least,
The chocolate chip cookie.
who doesn't love a good old chocolate chip cookie?
Classic, you can't go wrong with it. So we had to try it just to see how delicious this chocolate cookie.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Is.
You have to get
Ooh,
a
that
chocolate
one's
chip
like.
cookie. So good. Super delicious.
Yeah, it's sweet, flaky,
a little salty.
has good amounts of like chocolate in it.
It's a little dense. But it's a game changer. It's delicious.
Yeah, it's really good.
If you like chocolate chip cookies, this cookie will not disappoint.
Right.
I would give it a 8 out of 10. Just because it's really delicious. It's buttery. You taste the chocolate. Definitely get one of these when you stop by the bakery.
Solid cookie. Best cookie I've ever had? Probably not, but really good. I would probably give it like a 7.5, 8 out of 10. And yeah, it was real. Actually, yeah, maybe like an 8. Like a solid 8. I would say that cookie's probably a solid 8. Yeah, I agree. Because after you eat it and you taste it in your mouth, you kind of want another bite. So I think that kind of shows you that, yeah, it's good.
It keeps you coming back for more.
Yeah, it's good. 8 out of 10. So that was Lucia's Bakery. If you are in the San Juan area, Miramar area, check that place out. Super good. You can, I guess, in theory, show up in person and try to get some pastries. It might be possible, but because they do the pre-orders, a lot of people pre-order. So you might walk in there and, the pastry case might be empty. So remember to pre-order your pastries online.
And another thing is that they have coffee grounds, they have dog treats, they have cakes. Like if you're getting married here in
Puerto Rico,
definitely order your cake from them. Try a sample, just because I know before we got married, I reached out to them and they weren't doing wedding cakes, but now they are. So definitely recommend them. Their service is great. They're a small business here in Puerto Rico. We love to support small businesses as much as we can. So
support local, guys.
Yes, check them out. You'll love them. You won't regret it.
Absolutely. Thank you for watching, and like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what bakeries you're familiar with in the San Juan area, and if you have any recommendations for us to check out, we would love that. The rest of our trip, we're gonna be out on the west side of Puerto Rico, and we're gonna check out some cool places out there: food, travel, drinking, obviously, and just having an overall good time.
Yes.
Puerto Rico is an oasis. It's beautiful, but it's not just San Juan. There's so much more to explore on the island, and we're gonna continue to show that as long as we can.
And can we give the hotel and this beach like a shout out really quick just because it's so beautiful. We're staying in La Concha in Condado, and it's absolutely beautiful. The staff has been great. They've been really helpful and friendly to us. So we've been enjoying our experience, and we have a view of the ocean. And I feel like everybody should be able to see that.
Yeah,
so
look at this view. Look at this view. This is
incredible.
Literally incredible.
What is this even real? Is this? Let's open it up for everybody. The palm trees, the pool.
I mean, if that's not paradise, what is? Thank you again for tuning in. Planes and Avenues, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Bye, guys.
Peace.